Hello everyone, welcome here. What you can build ASP.NET Core. Let's see. ASP.NET Core is a cross-platform, high-performance, open-source framework for building modern cloud-enabled internet-connected apps. So using this ASP.NET Core as a development environment and as a building and creating software packages, it's a highly productivity it will gives to you. Why? This means it's a cross-platform means any operating system it will works. Microsoft offer you core ASP.NET Core which will works maybe Linux, Mac and Windows as you know. Let's see more features. What you can build. Build web apps and services, Internet of Things, IoT devices and IoT apps, and mobile backends where the code logic will works. The backend completely you can build. Use your favorite deployment tools on Windows, Mac OS and Linux operating systems as well as the server operating systems. Deploy the cloud or on-premises production servers, which are, it may be Azure or it may be any other Amazon Web Services or local mission where you are having these operating systems along with the IIS. You will perfectly deploy these projects. Run on .NET Core, it completely works there. See, earlier it is a Web Forms MVC Web API which will on the left frame ASP.NET 4.6 system.web is in a library. As namespace we have used. In ASP.NET Core MVC Model View Controller, ASP.NET Core 1.0, it's a Microsoft.ASP. ASP NET Core is in a library. As a namespace we are calling and integrating to our forms. So .NET Framework platform which is supports .NET applications for only Windows on earlier days. Legacy as well as present also it is supporting. Whereas .NET Core is having vast expansion. The cross-platform modular libraries and runtime optimized for server and cloud workloads for Windows, Linux, Mac OS, it's purely supporting. Why choose ASP.NET Core? Millions of developers use or have used ASP.NET 4.x to create web apps, Windows apps and all. ASP.NET Core is a redesign of ASP.NET 4.x, including architectural changes that result in a linear, more modular framework. ASP.NET Core provides the following benefits such as a unified story for building web UI and web APIs. UI is nothing but user interface. API is nothing but application programming interface. Especially this word will be used for web services. Architecture for testability. Browser pages makes code page focused scenarios easier and more productivity. Blazor lets you choose C# as a programming language, the browser alongside JavaScript. Share server-side and client-side app logic all written with .NET. Ability to develop and run on Windows, Mac OS and Linux. Open source and community focused where you can get very quick resolutions for on your code errors. Integration of modern client-side frameworks and development workflows very easily using MVC architecture. So having all these features, you are building an application in one platform, using this application in different platforms and different devices. How great this is. So let's see more lectures in upcoming sessions. Thank you.